welcome back to my channel, and if it's your first time here, my name's Simone. Today I'm doing a Marks & Spencer's food haul for a family of 5, and I've also got a few items from Tesco. So I spent £125 in Marks & Spencer's and £35 in Tesco. I needed to get some cleaning products from there. So all of these items should last us more than a week. So I'm going to make a start over here. I couldn't believe it. I bought some coleslaw and I was doing the haul, my battery went and the coleslaw went all over the floor. So like, yeah, from this meal deal, but I'm going to get started on this side. So I got these 2 packs of kiwis. They were only 65p and you get 5 in each. The kids love them, so I thought I'd get 2 packs of those. 2 bags of oranges, which Nero loves, she chose them, and then some easy peelers for Micah. I've got some ripen at home avocados, you get 5 in there. They ripen quite quickly, so I just bought another avocado just to have for now until and then wait for these to ripen. Some lettuce, shitake mushrooms for some creamy mushrooms I'm going to make. And in these oyster mushrooms, they're very firm. They're great for like if you want to make, say like vegan chicken nuggets. I've bought some breadcrumbs, so I'm going to make some vegan chicken nuggets with them. And then I've got some courgettes, some bananas over there, and some red onions, some lime and lemon. And then I've got a big bag of carrots, and then Neva chose these olives. Her and Ryan love snacking on olives, so she said could she get this. So it's a herb and garlic marinated olives. A bag of tomatoes, baby beetroot and 2 cucumbers. Some honey for porridge for the kids in the morning, and then this creamy oil is for a dessert that I've got and also for the creamy mushrooms I'm going to make. Neighbours never tried a grapefruit before and this was on offer, so she asked could she get one of those, so she's going to have that tomorrow. 2 tins of chopped tomatoes. I've got some left in the cupboard, so I didn't need to buy that many. So this is a meal deal. I was just saying before about the coleslaw going all over the place. It's Mexican mix and match, £15 for 2 mains and 4 sides. So they have vegan options, meat options, vegetarian options. So Neva decided to choose buffalo chicken wings and jalapeno popper bites. And then there's this chili beef nachos. So it's got cheese and it's got the sour cream there, and then it's got the nachos, and it's got, I think it's got like a chili. It's got the jalapenos there, and then it's got like the chili underneath, so it goes in the oven. And then 2 rump steak burgers, but I forgot to get burger buns. And then this chipotle coleslaw, which I said went all over, it fell and landed all over my boots. And then this smoky barbecue pinto beans, so this is suitable for vegans. And then this is the breadcrumbs that I've got. Like I said, I'm going to try and make something with those big mushrooms that I bought. Some vegan Plant Kitchen coleslaw. And then it was Neva that went shopping with me, and she said she really wanted a Sunday dinner, and she said she wanted lamb. So we got a lamb joint there, and then I've also got 2 packs of diced lamb because Ryan's been enjoying me making like a Jamaican like lamb curry, so I've got 2 packs of that there. And then this breaded haddock, there's 5 fillets in there. I think they're £5.50, so I got that. There's 15 eggs at the back, and I've got another pack of eggs on the other side because Ryan and the kids usually have eggs most days for lunch. Some reduced sugar tomato ketchup. Some cream of mushroom soup, which was only 50p. Again, Neva, she wanted to get Ryan and her and Micah and Caleb some soup for one day this week. I got this huge bag of basmati rice because we've run out of ours. We eat a lot of rice, so yeah, I got that. This is the Plant Kitchen sticky toffee pudding. It's amazing. We've not had it for quite a while, but we decided to get this for a dessert for one day. They have some new Plant Kitchen items. I talked about in one of my other videos that I've been making a lot of my meals from scratch, like plant-based items, but I saw this and I just wanted to give it a go. Brava's dirty fries, fried potatoes, chips with rich and smoky tomato sauce. I really loved having patata bravas when I was studying to be a teacher in Spain, and I've not had them for such a long time, so I really hope that these are nice. And then I got some vegetable stock cubes for soups. I've been making soups a lot during the week. 2 packs of hummus, And then I think that's everything. Oh no, it's not. I've got some other things on the other side, and then I'll talk you through the Tesco items. So I've got some home style fries, jumbo rolled oats for the kids' porridge, and then I got 2 coconut milks because I've been making like a coconut rice a couple of times a week when I'm making lentils, or like when I'm making that curry that I was talking about before. I really love adding coconut to the rice. Cream of chicken soup, which is what Neva chose for Caleb, and then I got a cream of tomato soup, and that's for Neva. She chose this chocolate oat, so I can make them chocolate oat porridge one morning with sliced bananas on top. I do like to make my own Yorkshire puddings, but when I'm not, I find it quite hard sometimes to make them when it's dairy free. So I got some of these just to put in the freezer for the Sunday dinner. 8 tortilla wraps. So I'll be making those one day for lunch for the kids with this salmon. I add mayonnaise to it and salad, and they like having that in wraps. And then this is a garlic bread. I think what Marks and Spencer's do sometimes is, if they've got some bread left over, instead of wasting it, they'll get some garlic butter, put it in between here, like slice it, and then they've got like a freezer next to the bread section. So we decided to get that. Some popcorn, kids love having that as a snack and like for movie nights. Cashew butter because I ran out. And then, as I was saying before, I've got a couple of avocados left in the fridge, and then we've got this one for when the other ones ripen. We didn't have the usual coffee that I like, but I really like strong ones, so I just got whichever one I could get. That was another number 5. So this is a dark roast, French style, so it's usually Italian that I get, so I'm hoping that this is nice. So yes, that's everything from Marks and Spencer's. And then here is Tesco. So I got 5 packs of celery because we're still having celery juice in the morning. Spring onions for when I'm making my rice. Sun blush tomato, garlic and flatbread. Some toilet roll, and then this was new. It with the club card points, it was £2. Should have been £2.50, and it's a protein boosting power soup, creamy like faux chicken made with jackfruit. So I thought I'd give it a go, and I've got some jackfruit. So if I like this, I might try and have a look on the back at the ingredients and try and make it myself. Yeah, so it looks nice. I got 3 packs of mango and 2 packs of blueberries. As I've said in other videos, in winter I like to have like cooked fruit in the morning with a blob of cashew butter. It's so nice. Some organic spinach, and then I got some non-bio washing detergent. This Method, I've not bought it for ages, and I really like this brand. So I got some of this multi-purpose pink grapefruit spray. It's non-toxic, plant-based. Okay, so I got this Mr. Muscle for cleaning the windows, and then I got this cloth as well. It's not got like a price tag on it, but I think it was only £1. I think it's like, to try to limit the amount of like packaging and stuff, Spontex. So yeah, I'm hoping that this cloth will be good for helping to prevent the windows from getting streaky. And then, I got that bread as well, and that's just from Marks and Spencer's because I do have some bread in the freezer. Okay, so here is the Mexican food that we had all dished up. As I said earlier when I typed on the video, if you'd like me to do a review and showing us try the food, then please leave a comment down below. And then here is just a clip from Mexican a week or so after. We bought some other of the mix and match items from Marks and Spencer's. Then we've got haddock, mushy peas, green beans, carrots and chunky chips for the next day. And then after that, you saw the kids before making the mushrooms with the breadcrumbs and everything. They were really easy to do. If you'd like me to show you the recipe, then please leave me a comment down below. But here's the mushrooms. I also battered and put breadcrumbs on the shiitake ones as well. Got caverlo nero, some steamed carrots, and I made some roast potatoes. Then the next day we've got lentils. So this is actually from this week, but we did have lentils in this particular week, but I didn't take a photo. But here's lentils with basmati rice, a little bit of salad on the side, and then I got some samosas from Marks and Spencer's. Like I said, it wasn't for this week, but this is what they the meal would have looked like on this particular week. And then the next day, sorry, as I was saying, we've been having a lot of like Caribbean food. So I made a curried lamb with sweet potato, caverlo, nero, and other different veg like green beans, coleslaw, and then I've made rice with, I'm not sure whether it's black beans I've got there or whether I've used kidney beans on this week. Then the next day, I didn't take a photo of the meal, unfortunately, but I made like mushrooms, tomatoes, peppers, spinach in like a creamy sauce, and I served that with spaghetti. And then the garlic bread that I was telling you about before, where Marks and Spencer's use the old bread, bread that's you know, it's going to go stale, so then they put the garlic in, that's what I'm presuming anyway. That's there, so we just served that on the side. And then finally is the roast dinner. So we've got roast potatoes, roast lamb, and a mint gravy. I roasted some carrots up in honey, green beans, red cabbage. I made some roast potatoes, and yeah, so that, oh yeah, and some cauliflower as well. So that is for the meals for the week. If you do like these types of videos where I'm showing the meals, then please leave me a comment down below. So this is all of the items. And I also got some pineapple chunks as well, and I have berries in the freezer, so we do have some other items. So here is all of the items. I really hope that you liked this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're new here, I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
You're trying to entice me, not going down, not going down. And you trying to make a case, don't